Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Using a paint marker, draw a line 3/4 inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. You can cut the bottom section in half to make it easier to remove. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate to fit over your existing crossmember. To do this, bend over the two plates. You may need to relieve the plates slightly to make them easier to bend over. Step 4. Slide the front center frame section onto the frame using a hammer to push it into place. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once you have your part in place, use a wrench to bend the plates against the frame located above the crossmember. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the front center frame section onto the frame. Then, C-clamp the part into place, ensuring a tight fit. Once in place, weld your part on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!